Hello everyone, and welcome to this explanatory video where we will explain the use of Nexpart integration in the latest version of your AB Magique software. From your estimate, click on the Nexpart button at the bottom of the window. You will be presented with a list of suppliers who currently have a Nexpart account configured in the respective file. Select the desired provider, then a new browser will open on the screen. You will notice that the software has a new external browser with your AB Magique software. This one being relatively bulky, it may take a little longer to open, especially on your additional workstation. However, we ensure full compatibility and stability with Nexpart and with future integrations to come in the coming month. Once on the website, you can do your lookup for your parts and labor, and then you can press the Report Card button directly on your browser window. Once the parts has been transferred, the background color of the description section of your parts will be changed to pale blue color. This indicates that this part was transferred from the Nexpart integration. In addition, if you place your cursor above the description of your part, you will have a mention which indicates which supplier the parts come from, but above all, from which branch it was transferred. The selection of the store branch is very important in AB Magique to avoid ordering out-of-stock parts which could delay the arrival of your parts at your automobile workshop. In addition, it is important to consider that only parts that have been transferred from Nexpart will be ordered. Example with the following part number CF3238 that we transferred from the Nexpart site. If I decide to manually insert part number CF3238 directly on the estimate, without going through the Nexpart integration, the background color of the description is white, indicating that this part was not transferred from Nexpart and will not be considered for the part ordering process with Nexpart. To place orders, you will have a new option available in the window entitled Order Parts Transferred from Nexpart. In the next window, you will have a list of all Nexpart suppliers with parts associated to them on the current estimate. Select the desired supplier. The browser will open again, and you will be taken directly to the shopping cart to order. You will have the chance to change your order number if necessary. Please note that it is possible to look up for more parts on the site before officially placing your order. However, these parts will not appear on the customer's estimate, only on the final order form. Click on the order button to proceed. When the order is confirmed, you can close the browser window with the X at the top right of the window. You may be tempted to place a second order immediately, since you're already on the website. But as indicated in the window, it is very important not to place additional orders from the browser session. Otherwise, your software would only recognize the last order placed and not the previous ones. If you want to order again, you will need to close the window, retransfer parts from an estimate, and then order again. Back on the estimate, you will notice that the background color of the description of the part is now green. This means that the part has been ordered. In addition, when you go to the list of your purchase orders, you will notice that the purchase order has already been created with the parts, the confirmation numbers, as well as the branches information from where the parts were ordered. It is possible for some reasons, the parts may be transferred with an error message assigned to it. The reasons can be various. Connection problem between the store and Nexpart, parts that are out of stock, etc. In such a case, a note will be added below your parts to tell you what happened. If the parts quantity to be delivered is reduced due to insufficient inventory, the quantity in stock in your purchase order will be adjusted to what will be delivered according to their website. We add a mention to contact your store for more details. However, your store may not be able to give you further details, and you might have to contact WHI Solutions with your error message and the order confirmation number in such a case. It is now possible to use a multi-seller account with Nexpart. A multi-seller account is a single user account to which you can associate all your Nexpart users from different stores and thus carry out your parts lookup and orders from a single place. This saves a lot of time for you and your business. Moreover, when you order, if you have ordered parts from several stores, the software will create a purchase order for each of these stores, in addition to create these suppliers automatically in your software if they did not exist. In other words, instead of placing 3 orders to obtain 3 different purchase orders, you will be able to place a single order to obtain 3 different purchase orders. Of course, your supplier must be available on Nexpart to benefit from this functionality. For more information, please refer to the Nexpart website at www.nexpart.com.